So this again, guys, starts season 3, episode 1, and we're gonna have a blast. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today this is going to be starting season 3. My tribe has grown, and we're going to start doing some tribe wars probably. So the server has gotten pretty exciting, and it's gotten pretty busy. I just want to show you something. So we're going to fade away for a second and then bring it back to that look. Gotta help out my dragon. Oh, a bunch of beavers too? Can't be freaking kidding me. Ay ay ay. Finally. So our base is over here, and it was completely raided by this dingbat of a person claiming that his stuff was his. Oh, hold on a second. We have a seagull flying around. There he is. Alright, so this is our base. And what happened was some guy came and completely decimated it. Took all the stuff out of it, everything. It was an absolute... I'm very pissed off, actually. I'm going to show you where he's staying right now. And he's got his own clan. And we've been working on this a really, really long time. So this base here, a really long time. And for someone to come in and completely pilferage everything from us and claiming that they did all the work to get all of it is a outright lie. 100%. I even had a greenhouse right here. This was a greenhouse, and they completely destroyed all the glass, everything. Got all the everything from this thing for all the glass that we did. And you can see the run. And it was a greenhouse. We had a ton of food in here. We had a bunch of pelicans. And that's what this was going here. It worked out really well, and I was very upset. So the knucklehead is over here. He didn't go too far away from here. So I put a sign here, and I put a couple of animals here for them to get. So this is one of their rooms, and their other place is up here. Let's see if they're still here. Yeah, there they are. They're still here. So this is their leader, Cupcake. So ticked off at him. So his name of his tribe is Knights Templar, and this other guy is also part of it. Other Knights Templar. Haven't seen him in a while. We know where they are, but they have no idea where we are. And that is fine. However, they could relocate, and it wouldn't be so bad. So that is that. So I was thinking about setting up camp here. I mean, it's kind of close. Probably would be a bad idea to be that close. May actually do across the water. I don't know. I haven't decided yet because I don't want it to be too close. Right now, doing these videos is going to be kind of tough because I really don't want anybody, because these guys could, the enemy could actually find us, knowing the map and whatever. They'll know exactly where we are, and I can't have that happen. So I thought having our base over here would have been perfect, but they pilfered everything from it. So this, again, guys, starts Season 3, Episode 1. And we're going to have a blast. We're going to try to install Structures Plus on the server. See how that goes. So if you guys liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We'll see you on the server, and let's have some wars. Take care.
Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,